How to make a video on ReadNote. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And in today's tutorial, we will learn how we can create a video on ReadNote. So without further delay, let's get started. So for that, first of all, you have to launch the ReadNote application in your mobile device. And make sure that you are logged in with your credentials. Now once you're on your home page, navigate to the bottom of this interface. There is a plus icon that usually represents the create new video. So tap on plus icon. Now you will be taken to your album. In order to capture a video, tap on camera icon. Here now you can record a video. So in order to record a video, you have to tap on this record icon. You can tap on done. Now you can edit your video. You can add different effects. Tap on effect and then choose different effects from here. If you want to add text to your video, tap on text and then enter your text. Here you get different types of text that you can try out them as well. If you want to add a text, you have to enter the text in this text box. And then you can choose different layouts and style for your text. Once done, you have to tap on this tick mark. Now if you want to drag and move this anywhere you want, with the help of your fingertip you can do that as well. Here you can also add sticker in your video. Tap on sticker and then add different available stickers from here. If you want to trim your video, you can do that as well. Tap on trim and then you can trim your video. There are more options as well. Tap on more and explore some more features such as clip, filter, template, autocut, canvas, subtitle, and chapter. So you can try them as well. And once you're done editing your video, also you can add music to your video. At the top, there is a small music icon. Tap on it and then you can add different music to your video as well. And once you're done editing your video, tap on next. Now here, you can preview and finalize your video. You can add a title, you can add descriptions, you can use different hashtags, and then you can also customize your audience, whether you want to set it for the public or you want to make it private. And you can explore advanced options as well. Not only that, you can save this video as a draft. If you want to do that, tap on save draft. Now, once you're satisfied with your video, you can simply tap on post button in order to share it to your social media platforms within the ReadNote application. So this is the way to create a video in ReadNote application, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.